Hello guys, we have our August visit, our customer. She's good with coming late. She usually come around after 4 because of her work, the nature of her job.
Can
She
I
always
be
come
your
from
star
work to shop
tonight?
to make her hair.
You
And
fill
we
my
started the
soul
hair
with
around after
light
4.
the day we
And
met.
then she needed
I
big.
don't wanna
But
leave
she,
your
fun enough, she
side,
loves long hair,
no.
even though she won't come early. But
Have
she
me
will tell me
by
that
your
I
side
want my
when
hair
the
very long. You know, I
sun
don't like short hair.
sets.
So we have no choice
I
than to do
hope
what she
you
wants us to
still
do.
want me. I
And
hope
then
you
this is
still
Lush
need
product with
me a
color 30.
million years
It's color
from
30 Lush
now.
product. Color
The
30 Lush
seasons are
attachment product. So
changing, the
that is what we
nights
are using
ever
to
fading. It's
make her
time
hair.
we left the
And
ground.
then
Let's leave for
she's
an
just there. She's happy, but she
eternity.
cannot wait to stand up.
Sail
And
across the
then I was telling her
light
that we have not
beyond
even
the
started. What more of you
sky.
trying to stand up
I'll
now? That
be
you need to
with
be
you
patient with the hair. Now we are
eternally.
trimming the hair. And
An
then she's
addict
like,
for
she wants
your
to stand up. I'm
love, it
like, we
keeps
cannot stand
me
for now.
high.
We need to sit down. Let's
Keeps
finish the
me
hair so that all of
high.
us will go home on time. We cannot stay here till midnight because it was already after 8 to 9 here, and we are trimming the hair. And but we were not able to get the extension. We needed to add coils at the hand of the hair, or the braids, the body of the braid. So we couldn't get color text to the one that will match her patch. So we have to make do with attachments. That one is extra work on its own. I have to use my hand and then use attachment to get these coils. And this is the outcome of the attachment coils we are fixing on her hair. We have to do long one like this for her, but it's an extra work, but we have no choice than to do it because that is what she wants, not minding the time and all that, but that is how she wants it. But thank God we are almost finishing. The hand of the hair, we have used hot water on it, is the finishing part. But still, please, my return subscribers, God will bless you all for me.
Can
More
I be your
blessing, more
star
able for una. I dey
tonight?
bless una, dey pray for una. God go
You
bless
fill
una
my
more and
soul
more.
with light
Thank
the
you for watching my
day
channels,
we
and thank you for
met.
commenting. Thank you for
I don't
liking.
wanna leave
Please
your
try to share.
side,
Hmm?
no.
Send the style, give
Have
your
me
sister,
by your
give your
side
friends so
when
that they will
the
do the style as
sun
well.
sets.
And encourage us, please.
I hope you
Thank you
still
for
want
being there
me.
for
I
us because
hope
we
you
cannot do
still
this
need
without you guys.
me a
Thanks a
million
million times.
years from
Thank you.
now.
So we are still on
The
the hair.
seasons are
Don't forget to
changing, the
subscribe,
nights
like and
ever
share and follow,
fading.
please.
It's time
My
we
God will
left
bless you and
the
comment. If you
ground.
have any
Let's
question
leave for an
concerning the hair, you can ask me. I will answer
eternity.
you. I will be at the comment
We'll
section
sail
receiving
across
and
the
then
light
watching and then
beyond
listening to
the
all your
sky.
question and
I'll
answer.
be with you
We're almost done with the
eternally.
fixing of the hand of the
I'm
extension
an addict for
so that
your
we'll apply
love. It
loose and
keeps
then
me high.
oishin
Keeps
and
me
then the
high.
trimming. So though she is not aware that we are videoing her hair from the beginning like this, we did not let her know. If not, she will not accept it. She will like, no, 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 it's late. Do my hair first before video this and that. But we did not allow her to know that we're videoing her hair. We're doing it videoing while doing making her hair, so that we'll be able to get all the details. But last, we will still tell her, and then you will see her reaction when she will get to know. This is the part where we use mousse to do the final finishing touch
I
up.
hope you still want me.
While we're
I
applying
hope
mousse
you
is this
still
to
need
give
me
it
a
the strength and the
million
look.
years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading.
This is
It's
it.
time we left the
And then she keep
ground.
telling us that
Let's
the
leave
mousse
for an
we are managing it.
eternity.
And God knows we are not managing it. We are trying our best.
Sail across
And
the
then
light
she keep
beyond
insisting that the
the
mousse we are not
sky.
using much. We
I'll
are
be
just
with
managing
you
it. All this is not manageable.
eternally.
Everything is expensive
I'm
now.
an
So
addict for your
I have
love.
to
It
plead with her
keeps
to take
me
us to where she
high.
sees us and then accept it that way. Now is Oyishin. She cannot wait to stand up. We have been begging her to wait, but she wouldn't want to listen. Now she's about to stand up. I believe her leg and everything will be paining her because we have to pin her down because she didn't come early. And then she want to stand up, she want to stretch her leg, she want to this. And then we have to pin her down to finish the hair. But I know she will love her hair. And she loves long hair. She's always in love with long hair. She doesn't like short hair at all. I tell you what, my hair good and long.
Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
This is it. This is it. She cannot wait again. She wants to stand up by own list. She cannot wait again. She cannot wait again. Please, to my return subscribers, God will bless you all. Please subscribe to us, please. Like and comment and share, please. And God will bless you guys. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. We really appreciate you guys. Thanks a million times. Wow. Auntie wants to stand up by all means. We cannot hold her anymore. She's standing. She's standing. Oh, she's tired. She's tired, but let's see. Oh, she cannot even walk well. Sorry about that. She's complaining about her leg. She loves her hair. She's complaining about her leg. She cannot wait to see herself on the mirror. And then this is the hair. When she will notice that we're videoing her hair, you see her reaction. Yeah, keep that fine. Thank you guys for watching and being with us. Thanks a lot. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. You will see her reaction now. I'm trying to use her to see video more, but she wouldn't want to. So she's about to challenge us now. So can you go? So I said it. Can you see?